Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Cody with Working That Budget, and it's been a while since I've made a video. And it's the first day of August, and we need to start planning. Maybe it'll help me be more accountable as it should have from the beginning. But anyway, if I keep making videos, or start making videos again. Okay, so this one, I just figured it a second ago. 26, 72, 79. Whoa. If only. Okay, I'll change this to okay, and this I don't, well, I kind of do. We'll change it to house cleaning. So I guess that's different since the last time. I'm not sure if I had quit by my last video or not. And I get 120 for that. Okay, I'm just going to put this at an even 10 because that's how I like it. Groceries, I'm just upping it just because to make everything hopefully better. There's a few birthdays this month. I should probably make this even higher, but we'll just work with it as it goes. And I did something weird. I made this one more. I haven't been putting anything to these. And I told her also that I need to stop getting wax for the time being. This was 190. That hasn't changed. This I think it was only 61 last month, but I think it should be 65 because they didn't do my discount that I called about or whatever like the month before. So they made up for it last month. Wow. I think this is auto maintenance should be right. I don't believe there's anything left for birthdays. And I'm pretty sure there's nothing left for Black Friday. I think the only things there are is auto maintenance. There may be that amount left for dentist. I'm not sure. Home maintenance, that's not left. There's nothing in any of these. So I need to do a lot of changing here. These need subcategories, I guess, if you will. And I don't remember the amounts or what they were. This should come out today. I paid this earlier. No, I just did that. Okay, that was not what I meant. There we go. something I've been doing, I have also another EveryDollar account, like one that I kind of use just to, I guess, keep personal. But anyway, I've been rounding everything, just making it to the zero because my brain just works better that way. So the amounts may not be like spot on or like whatever, but I just put it to the closest. Okay, these don't come out for a few days. I see they've changed this. And they've changed it in the app too, but like I said, it's been a while since I've been using it on the computer. So we should be getting a bill for this pretty soon. If I go back to the months, I could help whatever, and it would still be right. I'm looking up to see how this is. That didn't help me. Okay, so our starting balance for this one, it says, is $30. Again, I'm not quite sure if that's right, but that's what I have. As I figured, this is 0, and this is 0. Okay, so I think this is good for now. I may get off here and do kind of like an end of July thing. I'm not sure yet because I didn't make a beginning one. But anyways. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. I should try and do this every week. I really should, like I was. But I don't know. Okay, my husband gets paid on the 8th, no, the 5th and the 19th of this month. So, I'll get paid Friday. I won't get paid till the end, and this one will be the 14th of this month. Okay, I think we're pretty caught up for now. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.